Hello students, I am Nisha Desai. In last session, we discussed about art of embroidery, leather industry and diamond work. Now today we will discuss about other art and work of ancient India. Enamel work. Enamel work means the artistic skill of inlaying the bright colors like red, green and blue in the silver, gold ornaments like ring, bangles, earrings, keychain, chain, etc. India has been a leading country in jewelry since time immemorial. India is the only country in the world where expertise can be seen in enamel work and apart from the gold and silver work. Experts of enamel work are seen especially in Jaipur, Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi and Hyderabad. Enamel. It's look like a glass. It's substance like a glass which is used with bright colors like red, green and blue in ornaments. In silver or gold ornaments also that we can see. We can find in rings, bangles, earrings and chain or keychains. Not even in ancient time, even today also India is the leading country in jewelry in all over the world. India is the only country where the expertise can be seen or the expertise can be found for enamel work apart from the gold and silver work. Especially experts of enamel work are seen in Jaipur, Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi and Hyderabad. Jari work. Jari work is seen in India since ancient time. Golden and silver threads like woven clothes and embroidery is done with gold and silver threads to decorate the clothes. Surat is a prominent place for jari work. Knitting and embroidery of Jardosi work have a unique beauty. Even artisans of Surat could make beautiful dresses like sari, panetar, garchora, etc. bordered with jari. Metalwork. Metalwork is also a very old form of an art of India. Metal Age began and developed after Stone Age. The artisans of Lothal made different weapons like sickles, drill and needle, etc. with copper and bronze. Moreover, they prepared utensils, idols and pots. Arms and ammunition for wars were made up of metal. Gold and silver were used for making ornaments. Copper, brass, bronze were used to make utensils and idols, whereas iron was used to make instruments and weapons. Metalwork is also a very old form of art of ancient India and that begins or developed after Stone Age. The artisans of Lothal make weapons from the metal like sickle, drill and needle with the copper and bronze, and it uses in arms and ammunitions also. Bullets are the kind of ammunition which is used in wars. Gold, silver, copper, brass, bronze, irons. This is all the kind of metal which we using in a different way to make different things. Like silver and gold we use for making ornaments. For utensils and idols we uses copper, brass and bronze. And for instruments most of the iron is useful for instruments. Wooden art. Man, trees and forests are closely associated with each other. Initially wood was used as a firewood. Later on for making weapons, constructions for building and other construction work. Gradually wood was used for different purposes like for making idols, toys for children, wooden pillars, windows and doors, small huts on the top of the terrace, thrones, chairs and grills. In this way, wood carving was developed. Wooden furniture like swings, toys of Idar and Shankheda in Gujarat are well known. As we know, wood is very much important for our life. In our house also, the furniture we get from wood only, doors, windows, everything made by wood. Wooden furniture like swing, toy of Idar and Shankheda in Gujarat are well known. This question can be asked for 1 marks or 2 marks. Inlay work. Inlay work is considered to be very ancient art of India. Indian kings, emperors, rules and royal people of that time used to wear ornaments as necklace, bracelet, crown, ring, nose ring, damni was studded with precious gems like diamond, pearls and rubies. Artisans were expert in the work of inlay art. Bikaner area of Rajasthan is more popular for inlay ornaments. Inlay covers a range of techniques to make ornaments. This work is related to the ornaments that we can see in this. Bikaner area of Rajasthan is more popular for this inlay work or this inlay ornament. This question can be asked for 1 mark. Akik work. Akik is a kind of precious stone especially found in valley areas of the river. It is chiefly chalcedonic mixed with silica, blue or white stone. Carnelian is main stone with semi-transparent quality and beautiful red in color. In Gujarat, various precious stones are available in big and small size at Ranpur and Surat. All these stones are sent to Khambat to mold into various beautiful ornaments with various designs. Beads and garlands of stones are prepared by them, means from the Khambat. Akik means one kind of precious stone which is especially used in a ring. It's found in a valley area of river. And the chalcedonic means chalcedon is a microcrystalline type of quartz. This is also one kind of precious quartz which is used in a ring with mixed with blue and white stones. Carnelian is a semi-transparent stone which is red in a color. In Gujarat also, various precious stones available in a big and small size like at Ranpur and Surat. But the Khambat, all the stones they sent to Khambat to mold in a various and beautiful ornaments and to prepare to make our designs. Other art and work we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.